Want an AI that helps you work smarter and get paid? Here's how to make money with Monica AI Assistant in 2025, step by step. Step 1. Install Monica AI, a browser-based assistant that can summarize content, translate, write, and research right from your sidebar. Step 2. Choose a service-based niche, like freelance writing, email marketing, translation, or academic research. Step 3. Use Monica to speed up tasks. Summarize long articles or papers, draft cold emails, blog posts, or LinkedIn content. Translate messages or documents instantly. Research and outline faster than ever. Step 4. Monetize by offering fast turnaround content writing or research services, selling curated summaries or reports, creating lead generation emails for businesses, running a niche content newsletter powered by AI summaries. Step 5. Promote your efficiency as a value add. Powered by AI lets you deliver more, faster. Step 6. Build recurring clients by offering monthly service plans, scaled with Monica's speed. With Monica AI, you don't just work faster, you work smarter. And in 2025, that's exactly what clients are paying for.